Gabe.
Yeah, that is right. So these next few races could be crucial, especially if you are in the Biden campaign. You might feel a little bit more confident. So it depends on which website you look at, though. So over here in Arizona, the Associated Press has already called Biden. But as you can see here, this is pretty close. So they just announced 70,000 more ballots were counted last night, and that has since narrowed the gap between Biden and Trump. So right now, Biden is slightly ahead at 50.5% of the votes, and Trump is at 48.1%. Again, this is with 86% of the votes in and with 11 electoral votes up for grabs here. And the big surprise yesterday was when Wisconsin and Michigan vote flipped blue for Biden, with Biden at 49.4%, and in Michigan with 50.4% for Biden, with 99% of the votes in. And once again, like we mentioned, President Trump has already announced lawsuits for Pennsylvania, which is still a toss-up. Trump is slightly ahead at 50.7% here with 89% of the votes. And again, in Georgia, he also announced a lawsuit there with 96% of the votes there, 49.6% for Trump and 49.2% for Biden. So you can see here, it is still pretty tight. But I want to go back to Arizona right now because the majority of the votes are being counted in Maricopa County. And as you know, Maricopa County is a city, and most of those ballots are mail-in ballots. So the Biden campaign may be confident because of this fact. So we'll see how that plays out. Again, it is still a very close race here. So that's how things are looking like in the Electoral College. Dominique, I'll toss it back to you.
All right, yeah, we're patiently waiting for those Arizona final votes. Thanks, Gabe. Well, for those unfamiliar